This is Mark with Right Line Trading, and this is our evening newsletter, starting with this disclaimer that all signal and trading opportunities that we provide are for demonstration and educational purposes only. Everyone should understand that participating in trading involves substantial risk, and a person can lose a substantial amount of money. Always careful to consider your financial position prior to trading and never risk more than you can afford to lose. Now, stocks, futures, and forex have really been particularly choppy in the sense that we've had tremendous up days and we've had huge down days. And it almost seems like, the market grabs hold of whatever news it can, whether it's an increase in the debt ceiling, or the fact that maybe this monster spending bill proposed by the present administration will or will not get passed. But whenever catalyst drives it, seems to drive it an enormous amount. It's been very, very difficult to swing trade with these kind of properties. Now, after many, many months of working, we have perfected a software platform that trades Bitcoin futures. Now, Bitcoin futures are just an enormously powerful instrument. One of the reasons is that they're very trendy. Now, this is an 8 Unirenko, which really works perfectly. Now, this is a perfect entry. Now, this maximum excursion on this is 1,760 ticks. Actually, that is not correct. I have to take that number and divide it by 5, and I really apologize. Because a tick is $5. That's 352 ticks. Excuse me. The move moved $1,760, but since a tick is $5, it's about 360 ticks. Now you get trades like this all the time. And here's another trade. Straight up. No, I'm not going to go into what the indicators are telling us. This is a multi time frame assessment of order flow. This is a multi time frame assessment of Laguerre momentum. It just works off of multiple higher time frames in order to create leading analysis to tell us when we have the perfect entry. And really, it has been killing the market because when you get into a trade, Bitcoin futures tend to stay. This move down, take it all the way down. I can just show you trade after trade. Now, when it's in chop, our software really defines it perfectly. And look at this move up right here. So you should really consider trading Bitcoin futures. A micro Bitcoin future requires $500 a margin. You make nice money. Each tick is a $5 move in Bitcoin. You can trade multiple micro contracts, or if you have a very large account, you can trade a full contract. That is $25 a tick. These moves would make you thousands of dollars. Now, this is an educational service only, so I have to couch that as this is for educational demonstration purposes only. But you can see the trending nature of this market. Even when we don't have an entry, it just doesn't get. Now, when there's clear background, that's when Bitcoin is going to chop. As soon as the background goes green, that's a multi-time frame alignment and trend. We get a nice move up. So if you're interested in trading something different that is very lucrative, you may want to give us a call and ask us about our Bitcoin trader. I never proffer anything to you in these newsletters. They're really for your education. Provide you with entries on stocks, which I've done exceedingly well on the calls that I've made. But I really wanted to acquaint you with this trader as a way of sidestepping all the madness that's going on right now. Now you can use it as an ancillary tool to trade what you currently have, or use it as a primary tool. And to add icing to the cake, this system is fully automated. It is a self-directed system. You can trade it on a discretionary basis or automate it and let it run 24/7. There's tremendous protective safeguards to protect your downside and garner your upside profit. So listen, have a wonderful evening, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Take care.